Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to make Halloween based ring. Hope you will enjoy this video. We need very few things like cutters, ring hooks, polymer clay. I'm choosing the white clay for the base. For the pumpkin, I'm using this lovely light orange color and try to shape it like oval shape. Use this needle tool for giving details to this orange clay to look like pumpkin. For more details, I'm using this dotting tool. I'm using this brown color for the upper part for this pumpkin. For the leaves, I'm using this light green color and cut the leaves like this way. For this project, I'm using different shades of green for its better look. For details, I'm again using this dotting tool. For more details and shades, I'm using eyeshadow palette and this type of tiny brush. use electric oven for curing the clay. I preheated electric oven at 275 Fahrenheit and put the clay inside the oven for 15 minutes. I'm attaching this ring hook with this glue. Wait 10 minutes for that glue gets hard. Then put a small amount of resin for the overlock the hook. Now I'm using this gloss glaze from Suppies. It can protect the ring from dust and give a nice glossy look. And this is how it looks. For the Halloween, this type of jewelry can the best ornaments for you. You can make your own customized earrings from this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.